everyone. I hear lots of insects and an airplane and some sort of earth moving equipment in that direction. It's going to be another hot one. Not a lot of rain expected today. Maybe still tomorrow though. So I'm still scared to talk about it, but this poor tree has put out some new leaves. I'm trying to just let it do its thing and not bother it and not water it too much or do too much with it, and just hoping. I just saw Daddy Bluebird go into the tree up there, and a couple of hummers just flew past me, chasing each other here. I've been changing the water down there regularly, like every other day, keeping it not cloudy, keeping it fresh in this heat. And I do see them out there often, so. Hi, Gray. Hi. There you go. Good girl, come here. Hi. Hello, good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. Yeah, good morning, sweetheart. Yeah, you ready to go back out? They're so cute when they talk to me. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's just hot and sticky here. Oh, you actually coming up here today? Okay. I sure wish you would eat some of the wet food. I think that's going to be a no. I don't know why all of a sudden he's not interested in the wet food at all. Oh, I'm not planning to do too much watering today. Yeah, he's coming down to come get the dry food and be with his buddy. Hey, bud. Be right back. I gotta set this bowl down. I'll uncover it. I'll bring it over here. Maybe he'll eat a little of it. You guys are getting me some extra steps this morning. Did you get enough to eat in the house that you don't care about eating right now? Hi. Hello. Hi, Marty. We're headed inside to do our workout. They continue to get the park ready. They've got the orange plastic fencing up. You know, it's going to be in the mid-90s again today. So I'm glad we're headed inside to exercise today in the air conditioning. You won't hear any complaints about that from me. You going to make it cool out there for us?
Yeah, I'm going to start. It's 100 in the car. I'm going to start by vent because we have climbing on. So they're going, and now I'm going to turn the climate on. And so it's going. I'm not going to turn the seats. Oh, there's the seats on anyway. So I'm cooling the seats.
And it is showing the interior temperature there.
Yeah, so by the time we get out there, it's 92 outside. It's already down 1 degree.
Yeah.
And so hopefully when we get out there, it'll be nice and comfy. Big advantage of having a Tesla app.
It is.
Yeah, which means you have to have a Tesla.
Yeah. Go get one. So this is a gift with purchase, a GWP that I got last year. I didn't get to put it together before 4th of July. It came, you know, late in July, and by then fireworks were over and I was taking down the red, white, and blue. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this together. I've got a Boston butt in the Instant Pot, and it's going to be a while. So why not? Why not let go? I did have parts come today, but darn it, it's not the black windows I need, but it is the stuff to get back to the Wednesday Addams house. This year's 4th of July GWP is a Ferris wheel celebration, and I'm changing the cars to red, white, and blue, but otherwise it'll mostly be the same, and I'm just building it myself with parts I have on hand, of which I am seeming to have most of them.
here's the new air conditioner. I could have got it from Amazon. But the people on Amazon kept showing it was damaged during shipping, the carton. So I said, huh. And so I went and found the same thing. Let's just say from the importer. I don't know, Global Industries. It was cheaper too, $539. The one on Amazon was $689. So I said, oh wow, great. Except for it was $90 shipping. So still ended up saving $20, $30. So you know it wasn't bad, but the difference, however, is it came freight, FedEx freight. And I got to tell you, I'm impressed. The guy, he's just now leaving. That's him. You hear him. Big, tractor trailer type big truck. Although it's one of those like huge moving van trucks. It's not actually a semi, but it's a big truck. And he had one of those lift gates, so he matched the tailgate, and we just slid it, pallet and all. But what I was trying to get at is, as you could see, it very unlikely that it got damaged in shipping. It looks like it was correctly packed, handled with a forklift the whole time. And so I'm expecting it to, work well. JB kind of said, so what are you going to do when it doesn't fit the hole? And it's like, well, we'll deal with that when it happens. I don't know. My tape measure and the ones made in China tape measures are two different things. Anyway, stay tuned. Well, it's really well packed, which is I expected. It's in really good shape, so I don't think anything got messed up. Now all I gotta do is figure out how to get it out of here. Well, it's 14.5, just like the other one, so in theory it'll go in the same hole. It may be a little taller, but taller is not a problem. The width, because it's got to slide between the two 16-inch on center studs, so there's only 14.5 inches between them. And like the other one, I had to kind of like get it to go in there. But like I said, I'm very impressed. It's the first air conditioner I've gotten that the fins weren't all bent. Oh, I forgot, the thing just lifted off once I cut the banding and stuff. This box just slid out. It's handy. So basically I'm just gonna slide that onto this is my hydraulic lift table. I can make it go up and get it even. I'll just slide it. I'll tell you, kitten, the only thing wrong is it's not Tuesday.
Right. Somehow, though, I don't think
It'll be a problem.
I don't think it'll be too big of a deal.
I will endeavor to persevere.
There are three pulled pork tacos there. It's just the usual. But cooking the Boston butt in the Instant Pot and having all the stuff that goes along with it is one of our favorites. I'm making an effort because it's something Johnny really likes.
Yeah.